Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can zoom in on YouTube videos. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open YouTube, and so let me search for the videos that I want to zoom. So here is the nature video. So then you need to that and you simply need to pinch that video and you can zoom into video 8 times. So you can see that currently this option is not available, but once you pinch it you can zoom into the videos 8 times. And once you done, you simply need to go back and it is now in the original form. So this is a process by which you can zoom in videos on YouTube. That is the new update. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.